gave our first car, it was not easy. When I gave the second one, it was not easy. And I told you, because I gave out the cars, even my family said, our problem now is we can't give you a car. Because they can give you. He said, we are not sure whether you will not give it out. I gave them a condition. I said sincerely, give me a car. I will not give it out in 6 months. Have I tried?
Yes.
So if they give me in December, they are only sure I will use it from now till June. In those 6 months, I'm already looking for the person that will collect the car. How many of you, when you give, you feel joyful? There's this. Can you explain it, John? You want joy? Please be a giver. Stop all this. Anadites. Me, myself, and I. What's the center of sin? Answer me, we have 15 minutes. What's the center of sin?
Selfishness.
In simple English, what is the center of sin?
I.
S-I-N. What is the center of sin? I. Everything I. You know why people don't give? They say, man, how can I give other clothes? My husband gave it to me. Do you want them to use it to bury it? I know you give, Pastor Baby. Increase your giving.
Yes, sir.
No, wait. Let me put a condition. If I give you, let there be food in the house. Then increase your giving. There was recently, we gave out our last food. The people didn't know it was the last. We gave out the last. I came to the house in the night. Pastor Baby, how far? He said, be far. He went very far. When you say I should give out the last one. Some of you don't know because we don't talk. There is nothing in my life by the grace of God that is big for me to draw.
Yes,
Nothing. I will share one more story for living. One of my mentors, like I told you in ministry, is Apostle Johnson Suleiman. And I began to share with some of my guys. I watched him on Friday, he was in Lagos. He came to dedicate their Lagos church. They built it in 33 days. In already 33 days. When people have a willing heart, you can do anything.
Yes, sir.
That's the truth. He said, and by prophecy, he called out a woman. He said, how old are you? The woman said 73. He looked at the woman, that was Friday. He said, you died yesterday for 2 hours. The woman said, yes, it's true. I died. I got revived after 2 hours. He said, let me now tell you why God revived your life. He said, you used to give out Bibles and give out things. The woman said, yes. While they were still talking, a man ran into the church. I'm talking Friday, 2 days ago, with a baby. He said, this woman doesn't know us. She came inside church and gave my baby money. So Apostle Suleiman told her, he said, please, all the days of your life remaining, I see years and years and years and years. He said, all you have to do is to thank God. He said, because you are a giver, that's why God is giving you. Now, they didn't know themselves. While they were talking that one, some people in the church started shouting, we want a branch in Ogba. We want a branch in Ogba. The woman in Adawa Estate, the woman stood up, went to the pastor. He said, I give them my land in Ogba. Now, listen to me. There are people there that had hectares. They didn't give it to God. And yet, God used this woman. And that's why our life keeps getting elongated. What have you given God? What have you given man? What? Last Thanksgiving, last week, many of you gave God your bottom. I laughed. I don't count it. The treasurers are the one that deal with it.